YouTube? How's it going? Been a long time. So, as you can tell, one thing, we've changed the name of the channel, changed the name of pretty much everything to go with it. But in this video, we got two things. We are going to be unboxing one of these, which is going to go with the second thing that I'm about to show you here. We're going to be unboxing Special Edition PS4 Pro. So that's what we're going to be doing in this video. So stay tuned and we'll start with just doing the 6TB USB 3.0 drive, which I'm going to attach to it for the additional storage for a whopping grand total of 7 TB for all the games. Well, to start with this, we'll just take our trusty unboxing knife and cut the plastic wrap crap that we can put on. All these boxes, if I can not slice the actual box, because I just sharpened the knife. Well, I don't think I need all this crap. Well, I don't think I need manuals for an external hard drive. Pretty sure they're pretty self-explanatory. And graphic. This, I would assume, that off to the side, would be power cord, which it is. Power cord for it, and a USB 3 cable, and now for the drive itself. So this is the drive itself. I think it's laid down either flat or sitting up. USB 3 power cable. It does give you 2 USBs on the front. They will never be used. Plastic wrap off. Have it. That crap is off. I hate that stuff. Well, apparently there's another one on the other side. So apparently it only sits up like so. So we'll go ahead and we will get the PS4 Pro unboxed, and that will end that. I'm not going to do any sort of setup video because I'm sure there are millions of those around. It's pretty self-explanatory as well. Well, now it's time to get this unboxed. So, with the combination between the PS4 Pro and that 6TB hard drive you've seen previously unboxed, at least, I'm from Canada, so things generally seem to be more expensive than maybe down for those of you who live in the States. It was a grand total of $780 with taxes and no warranties for PlayStation plus 6TB hard drive. So we're going to go ahead and grab our knife again, cut the seal, just to reveal, in typical Sony fashion, a box inside of a box. That is a Sony thing. So, box is empty. Hey, we'll just set that over there. There we go. we will go ahead and crack this plain white box open. And right on top, looks like just PlayStation manuals, quick start guide, which I already own a PlayStation. It's just the standard edition, original, so I don't need it. Beefy power cord, controller charge cable, HDMI cord, and they're a really cheap chintzy headset, which I will not be using because I have the nice Turtle Beach. And the red and white themed controller that I will be using. Okay, now time to get this out of the box. So, I'm sure you can see there's nothing left in the box. Before we get too far here, you also get a copy of the Spider-Man game on disc, which actually is really spicy, and I figured it would have been a, digital download. That off to the side. Notice of update to limited warranties. Look for that. And then it looks like typical Sony fashion. Codes for crap. Oh, save 20% on PlayStation stores. Well, I generally don't buy games from them anyways. So that goes. Let's go back to the bottom box and buy some games from there. Spider-Man spider logo on the front, or on the top I should say, on the front you have two USB ports, jack, power, and right along in there is your optical drive, and then along the back you have a whole ton of inputs. You got your power port, HDMI, an auxiliary, which I think is for the camera, optical out, USB, which is what I'm going to be plugging that drive in for expansion, and an Ethernet port. So that is your limited edition Spider-Man PS4 Pro. This also belongs as well. Though some of us might not know, it does do 4K, which is something the regular PS4 doesn't. The regular PS4 does do the HDR, but not the 4K. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video of the unboxing of both the 6TB USB 3.0 drive that is manufactured by Seagate, as well as limited edition Spider-Man PS4 Pro in red that does include a factory 1TB hard drive. So I hope you enjoyed. Stay tuned for the next one. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, as well as click on that little bell notification so you will receive notifications every time I upload a new video. And check out the social media links in the description. I'll see you in the next one.